Let's talk about how to join a Google Classroom. The first thing you need to do after logging into your Chromebook and Clever is to find the Google Classroom icon. If Google Classroom is something your teachers will have you using frequently, you may want to favorite it in Clever so that it will show up at the top of your screen. Let's go ahead and click on the Google Classroom icon. This is where you will see the Google Classrooms you are a part of, as well as some that you have been invited to join. There are multiple ways a teacher can ask you to join their Google Classroom. The first method we will look at is where the teacher has already added you to the class, but you still need to join the class. We can see this method here with the classroom that has the join button. If you have one of these classrooms, click the join button to be added to that class and to access your assignments. Let's look at the most commonly used method of joining a Google Classroom. This method is where the teacher gives you a code to join their class. They may have this on a handout, written or displayed on their board, or they may have sent you an email with the class code. In this example, I've sent the student an email with the class code. This student will need to go to Clever to open their email to get the code. Let me go ahead and find my email. Again, you might want to favorite this one so it's at the top of your screen. And go ahead and click on the Google email icon. Once your email opens, you're going to look for an email from that teacher. I have one right here at the top with the Google Classroom code for computer science. In this email, I have the classroom code from my teacher, and I have a couple options. I can write this down on a piece of paper and then go back to my classroom to add it, or I can just copy and paste it. So I'm going to click, hold, highlight, and copy and paste that code. I'm going to use Control-C. Now I've got it copied. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. And I need to join the class by clicking the Join Class button that looks like a plus sign in the upper right corner of Google Classroom. Once I click the plus sign, I need to type or paste the previously copied code into the class code field and then click the Join button. Let's have a look at the last method for joining a Google Classroom. This method is a new feature in Google Classroom, so I'm not sure how many teachers will be using it this year. This method is where the teacher sends you a link, probably in your email, to join their class. Let's go to our email and find this invitation link. Once you find the email from your teacher, click to open the message and then click the link they have provided. This will add you to that classroom. You need to click the Join button. And now you are in the classroom your teacher has invited you to. Now that you have done that, you are ready to do the assignments from your teacher. In my next video, we will look at the stream and classwork pages to learn how to do our assignments.